The Harman Kardon Allure Portable is a stunning Bluetooth smart speaker which can be had for around Rs 14 to 15,000. This makes it a premium device. So, let's find out if it's worth the price or not. We have already established in our previous reviews that Harman Kardon makes stunning speakers, and the Allure Portable is no exception. The speaker also has a good amount of heft, which reassures its good build quality. But the real star of the show here is that thick 3D LED ring up top, which gives the speaker a really premium vibe. In terms of audio quality, the Harman Kardon Allure Portable impresses quite a bit. The bass here is solid, and the vocal and instrument separation are also quite impressive. Here, check it out. But it's best to use this speaker at around 80% volume because at max volume, the highs can sound a bit shrill. Also worth noting is the fact that while the Allure Portable sounds pretty good, for around the same price, Harman Kardon also has the Onyx Studio 5, which overall sounds a bit better than this one. But where the Allure Portable really differentiates itself from the Onyx Studio 5 is in terms of its Alexa integration. We've already discussed Alexa's capabilities in many of our previous videos, so I won't go deep into that. However, what you must know is that at top, this speaker has got two mics for your voice recognition, and these microphones are brilliant. You can speak the Alexa hot word from across the room without shouting, and the mics would still pick up your voice. That's pretty impressive.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What did Earth say to the other planets? You guys really have no life.
Alexa, tell me the latest news.
Where should I get your news from? You can say something like India Today, Aaj Tak, News 18, or Bollywood Hangama.
There is one drawback though. You cannot configure Alexa via the native Amazon Alexa app. For that, you have to download a separate Harman Kardon Alexa app, which to be honest is quite slow and clunky. Another area where this speaker impresses quite a bit is in terms of its magnetic dock. Yes, the Allure Portable comes with a bundled magnetic dock, which makes it quite handy. You see, thanks to this dock, you can keep it plugged in all the time so that you can use it as a regular smart speaker. But when you want to take it somewhere else, just pick it up from the dock and you're good to go. The Harman Kardon Allure Portable comes with a big 6000 mAh battery. However, the claimed battery backup of 10 hours is pretty mediocre when you consider the battery size. Another problem here is that the battery takes quite some time to recharge, precisely 4.5 hours. So that's the Allure Portable. It looks fantastic, has fully functional Alexa support with pretty brilliant onboard microphones, and overall, its voice quality is also very impressive. Yes, you can argue that for around Rs 15,000 you can get better sounding speakers, and that's true. However, the Allure Portable takes more of an all-rounded approach, which means that it's a good Bluetooth speaker and a great smart speaker as well. When you add the premium Harman Kardon branding to the mix, the Allure Portable is a speaker that's worth considering.